Here's the Tasmanian Devils. We're at the Tasmanian Devil Park just up from Port Arthur. They're due to get fed in about 5 minutes. They don't look too hungry at the moment, do they? We'll see what happens when they get fed. I've been told they get pretty voracious. Oh, we don't like each other very much, do we? Where are you?
All happened so quickly. Look how shiny it's baby.
Okay, back to sleep. What was that all about? What a worry in the world.